This is a 2019 GLC protected with a halo mini. So if a thief managed to get this key, copied it, done a relay attack, broke into your house and stole it, went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. The ignition's going to swipe, but the engine's not going to start. So all the customer's got to do is go through a unique push sequence. So foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, go through a code of their choosing, we get a flash from the side light, and now we can start. As soon as they exit the vehicle, the system becomes active. So if a thief grabs your key as you stopped, they're going to be unable to drive it away because the system's active as soon as you get out. If the customer wants to go take this for a service, take it back to Mercedes, they need to put it into service mode. So to do that, turn the ignition on, pop their code in like normal. But on the last one, we're going to keep it held for 10 seconds. And as you'll see, we'll get 5 flashes. Now we've got that, the system's in service mode, which means when you take it to Mercedes, simply hand them the key. It's going to start without a code, as if you have a normal vehicle. No need to worry about handing over the code, changing it when you get it back. Just put it in service mode. They won't know there's an immobiliser in here. When you get it home, to turn it back on, it's the same process again. Get the ignition on, pop your code in, and on the last one, hold for 10 seconds. But when it comes out of service mode, you'll just get 1 flash. Now we've got that, vehicle's protected, it's going to need the code to start. So we've got the key, we've taken it out of service mode, go to start it, vehicle's not going to start up. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do, turn the ignition on. First they'll prove it's them with their code and get the flash. Now we'll put our foot to the floor 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll receive a flash, and now we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the ignition off, we get our flash, that's our code set, simple as that. Have our new code set, we'll pop the ignition on, pop in our push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get our flash because that's our new code. We can start the vehicle. This is the Halo Mini on a 2019 GLC. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.